Great service is our top priority, and now we're ready to celebrate with you because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share with everyone. Take a look. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. Come and see us today. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We'll see you soon.